Lots of people hate dividing, but here's some good news. When fractions are involved, you never actually have to divide. Let's try one. 3/4 divided by 1/2. First, change the divide sign to multiply, then flip the second fraction. That flipped fraction is called the reciprocal. Now multiply. 3/4 times 2 over 1 equals 6/4, which simplifies to 1/2. So remember the rule, dividing fractions means multiply by the reciprocal. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction the same, change the division to multiplication, and finally flip the second fraction so it becomes its reciprocal. What if you divide by a whole number? Put the whole number over 1. Just write 2 as 2 over 1. 3/4 divided by 2, then keep, change, flip. What about a mixed number? 3/4 divided by 1/2. First change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So 1/2 turns into 3/2, then keep, change, flip. Same rule every time. Now try this one, 2/3 divided by 1/4. Pause the video and solve. Then when you're ready, hit play and see how you did.